Today, Zoey and Rumi became the mistresses of fairy tale castles.
Hi!
I'm Zoey.
I'm Rumi.
Look at these castles, they're amazing.
Rainbow and cardboard. I wonder who will get which. Let's see which castle Rumi will get. And
Woohoo!
Rumi gets the rainbow style.
Wow, I want the rainbow one too.
Let's see what you get.
Nothing's happening.
Don't rush. Hooray! You got the cardboard style. Girls, hold your crowns.
Thanks!
But I wanted the rainbow.
Hey!
Well, Zoey, I'm off to my castle.
Bye!
Oh, I happen to have the key to this lock. Opening. Wow, what a big castle. But it's not rainbow at all. Don't worry, we'll fix this quickly. Look how many paints I have. First, I dip the sponge in white paint and use it to make waves like these on the wall. This will be the base. Now I move on to other colors. I apply yellow, red, pink, blue. I'm actually making a rainbow pattern over the white paint. I take chenille wire and frame our designs with them. This is the result. Now we'll put soft rainbow tiles on the floor and add rainbow fur around the edges. Great!
Wow!
I like it. But something's missing here. I think we need lighting.
Wow!
Awesome! This is exactly what I wanted. Now my castle is truly rainbow. Everything is so soft and fluffy. The floor and the walls.
Wow! Hey!
I really don't like it here at all. I wanted a rainbow castle too.
Don't worry, Zoey. We'll make your castle the brightest one right now. Look what I have.
Wow!
Acrylic markers. Wow, so many of them. Can I take some?
Huh? Okay.
Give me the blue marker. We're going to do something now. Take a ruler and start drawing diagonal lines on the floor. Make this kind of grid. Color the squares blue in a checkerboard pattern.
Let me help you.
Thanks. Now take a piece of cardboard, a purple marker, and start drawing a window. First, draw the cornice, pretty curtains, and add the window itself with a black marker. Color the curtains purple and the glass light green and blue, like there are trees outside the window. We'll also need a cardboard cylinder. You can take a paper towel too. Cut it in half and draw white stripes on each half. Place the columns on both sides next to the window.
Here, take the blue marker.
Let's take a ruler and draw moldings on the wall, and a mirror and paintings on the other side.
Good job!
We'll also sketch a chandelier.
Wow, I like it way more like this. Everything looks gorgeous. The curtains, columns, patterns on the walls.
Wow!
I can't believe this is my castle.
Woohoo! Woo-hoo-hoo!
My lady, may I have this dance?
Yes!
It would be an honor.
Woohoo! Yay!
I'm spinning.
Woohoo!
Oops, I have nowhere to sit.
Don't worry, we'll make you a throne right now. So let's take a plastic box with fake nails. They are pretty, but we don't need them. Just keep the box. Put a cushion inside and cover it with fluffy pink fabric. Do the same with the other half of the box. Lift one side and add soft armrests to the chair. Decorate it with colorful pom-poms, glue on soft legs, and a crown made of chenille wire.
Wow!
Rumi, your rainbow throne is ready. Wow, how beautiful and so comfortable. Thank you, Crafty Loo. Take a royal bed with soft pillows and a lovely bedspread. A floor lamp. We'll hang photos of Huntrix in antique frames here. After all, this is a castle.
Wow!
Wow, wonderful. What other wishes do you have, Princess? Oh, now I'm hot. Is this better? Much better. But I'm bored. Right, let's throw a fluffy royal ball. Great, let's make a guest list. Who do you think I should invite to my first ball? Write in the comments. Oh wait, first I need to send a special invitation to Zoey.
Let's go!
Zoey, hi.
Hi!
I've got something for you. This is an invitation to the royal ball.
Wow, I'm going to the ball. But I don't have a vanity table.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. For this craft, I will need this cardboard box. Oh, there's something inside. Let's see. A black marker, colored pencils, a pencil, a utility knife, scissors, decorative stones, a ruler, and rhinestones. First, cut off the box lid and cut off the excess. Draw the template for our small table on the cardboard. Then cut everything out with a utility knife. These are the blanks we got. Next, hot glue all the parts together to form a vanity table. There's an oval piece of cardboard left. Cut a piece of metallic tape and attach to the cardboard piece. It became a mirror. Glue it to the table. Draw decorative patterns with a white marker and color them in. Add a crown on top. First coloring it white with a marker, then yellow so the color stands out well. Finally, decorate everything with decorative stones. Stunning!
Wow!
Zoe, your vanity table is ready, and here's also a chair.
Wow, thank you so much. And what will go here?
Huh? This is where your bed will be.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Now I really like my castle. It's wonderful. Time to get ready for the ball, but I don't have any makeup at all. Crafty Loo, what should I do? Help!
We'll figure out something. Meanwhile, give us a like so Zoe can get makeup and have time to get ready for the ball. Zoe, look!
Wow, so much makeup. Thanks for your likes.
First, let's brush your hair. Then put on some blush. And of course, put on some lipstick. Now add some perfume, and voila!
Wow, I look so beautiful.
The ball is coming up soon, and these shoes don't match at all. Crafty Loo, bring me all my things.
Okay.
Here you go. Okay, let's see. How am I supposed to find the right shoes in this pile? I need to organize all this. Okay, now we'll make you a real rainbow princess wardrobe. We take 2 rectangular foam pieces and cut off this part. Attach a yellow stand and wrap the foam with decorative rainbow tape. We'll hang fluffy partitions and glue on pink shelves. On the side, stick in a wooden stick. Cut off the excess. Wrap the stand for hangers with chenille wire. And add a golden crown. Our rainbow wardrobe is ready. Look, Rumi.
Wow!
How cool. Now we can hang up your dresses. Arrange shoes and accessories. Wow, this is exactly what I wanted. Let's see which shoes I should pick for the ball. Oh, these will be perfect. Let's try them on. Wow, so cute. Just what I needed.
All done. I'm almost ready. Oh no, the ball has already started.
Oh my god.
Wait, you don't have shoes on.
Right. What should I do? I can't go barefoot.
I'll help you. We'll need a craft paper bag. Take scissors and cut long strips. Coil a strip, hot glue the end, and shape it like a drop. Add a few more details. And Zoe's shoes are ready. Use a hole punch to cut out 2 blue hearts and glue them onto the shoes. On another sheet of craft paper, draw a flower. Color it and cover it with clear tape. Fill it with hollow fiber and seal it completely. Put the shoes on a cushion. Zoe, try them on.
Wow, they're so beautiful.
Wow!
I feel like a real princess in them.
Woohoo!
Hi, Rumi. You're already here.
Welcome to the ball, Zoe.
Oh, but who are we going to dance with? There's no one here.
That's true. I got it. Let's hold a prince casting. Crafty Loo, will you help us? Of course. Take your places.
Okay.
Here are your signs.
Thank you.
We can start.
Milady, please accept these humble flowers from me. Rumi! Zoe! No? Well, okay, I'll keep them.
No, next.
Agreed. Next.
What? They didn't like me?
Okay.
Yo, girls, now I'm gonna rap for you.
Lights flash bright, I'm the headline show. Step in the room, they already know. Swagger like a comet, burning the flow. Can't stop me, no, no, can't stop me, no. Yeah. Every step a spark in the night.
Let's rock!
Word of fire that ignites. Look up, look up.
Oh, goodness, that's cringe.
Woohoo!
Yes, cool. Rumi, I'm gonna borrow this. Yes, yes.
Woohoo!
My lady, may I invite you to dance?
With pleasure.
And I still don't have a partner. Wow, what a prince. Definitely yes. Allow me to invite you to dance, my lady. Of course. Hi, everyone.
Can we join you?
Hi, we came to the ball.
Hi.
Oh, I'm already tired.
Me too. It's time to go home.
Thank you for coming to the ball.
It was great to see everyone.
Goodbye.
Safe travels.
Bye-bye.
Rumi and Zoey, thanks for the invitation. We're off. It was the best ball.
Bye.
Girls, it's time for you to rest. Zoey, change and get to bed. Here's a mask for you to sleep well. Good night. Rumi, here's your pajamas. Put on the mask to fall asleep faster. I'll cover you up. Sweet dreams. Write in the comments which castle you liked better, the fluffy one or the cardboard one. See you next time.